Right, so today I'll be showing you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Now for this, I'm going to be using this JBL speaker, but this should work on any Bluetooth speaker. Now, first things first, go to your Bluetooth settings. So go to settings and then go to connected devices, and then you should see the option to pair new device. And that's what you want to tap on. Now it's going to start scanning for available devices. So what you need to do now is put your Bluetooth speaker in pairing mode. Now for this one, all I have to do is turn it on and then press the pairing button, and that should put the speaker in pairing mode. Now once it's in pairing mode, you will see it in the list of available devices. All you have to do is click on it, and then it's going to ask you to confirm you want to pair. Tap on pair and it should be good to go. There you go. So you can see our devices right there. So that's basically how to connect. Now any audio you play will play via these speakers. Whether it's a song, let's go and find some music file like this one. There you go. Thanks for watching and good luck.